Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maverick Lee, and today I am going to take you to Domino's to try a special, unique, rare type of pizza. This pizza is called the Volcanic Cheese Pizza, and this Volcanic Cheese Pizza can only be found in specific locations within Asia. You cannot get this pizza in the West. Come join me, let's check out this pizza. Now take a look at this. This is what I came for. This is the Volcano Cheese Pizza. Take a look. Look at that. That looks crazy. Hello. Where Jigger? This one. Wow, she. Wow, look at this. Come take a close-up, come closer, look at this. Wow, okay, let me grab a slice. Wow, it's so crispy. Wow. Okay, now, check this out. Wow, so underneath the top layer, it's all soft cheese. Look at this. But I've got a feeling it's going to be red hot. Okay, here it goes. It's amazing. It's so good. Really good. I can always tell a very good pizza by the cheese, you know. If it's nice and stringy, that's when I know it's a good pizza. And the crust is nice and crispy. Look at that, just so nice, so nice. Not too thick, a little thin, just how I like it, the way it is supposed to be. And I'm going to double dip just for you guys. Look at this. Look at that cheese. It's amazing. Now this here, look at that. That's Oreo. I think it's Oreo. It looks like Oreo crumbs. Do you know when you go to McDonald's and you get like an Oreo, what's it called? An Oreo McFlurry. That's what it looks like. It looks like the Oreo crumbs, what they put inside the McFlurry. So I can't imagine this kind of combination. But as you can see here, I also ordered a small side cocoa pizza. You can check out my video on my channel if you want to see a review on this chocolate pizza. But in the meantime, look at this. I can't even imagine how these different elements are going to go together. I mean, we've got the cheese pizza with the ham, then we've got the cheese here, and then we've got the Oreo crumbs around with a nice crispy base pizza. It's a whole combination going on here. There's so many different flavors all in one, and it really is so good. Okay, now let me try this. Let me try these crumbs. It's out of this world, really. It's out of this world. This pizza is honestly amazing. Well, as you can see, I thoroughly enjoyed this volcanic cheese pizza. It was a definite 4.7 out of 5, maybe a 4.6 at the least. It was really good. I'm so glad I tried this pizza. Well, that's it. That's all from me, Maverick Lee. I hope you enjoyed this video review. If you did, check out the other videos on my channel for more content like this. And don't forget, before you go, subscribe to the channel and give a like on the video. Thanks for watching.